What is this called? Rolling pin. What is this called? Whisk. What is this called? Mortar and pestle. What is this called? Sieve. What is this called? Tongs. What is this called? Colander. What is this called? Peeler. What is this called? Grater. What is this called? Garlic press. What is this called? Squeezer. What is this called? Spatula. What is this called? Ladle. What is this called? Strainer. What is this called? Chopsticks. What is this called? Cutting board. What is this called? Pastry brush. What is this called? Can opener. What is this called? Bottle opener. What is this called? Corkscrew. What is this called? Fork. What is this called? Spoon. What is this called? Butter knife. What is this called? Knife. What is this called? Saucepan. What is this called? Measuring cups.